In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Squarespace pages. Whether you're working on a personal blog, a professional website, or an online store, seamlessly linking pages is essential to ensure that your visitors can easily navigate through your content. So, let's dive in and get started on creating those connections. First, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account and access your website's dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find your site navigation on the left side of the screen. From here, locate the Pages tab. This is your main workspace, where you manage all of your site's pages. It's like the central hub that keeps everything organized. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Now, if you're looking to link an existing page, find the page you want to connect from. If it needs to be created first, take a moment to add it. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon, naming your new page, and setting it up. With your pages available, the next step is to create the link. Highlight the text or select the object you want to turn into a link on your page. It might be a word, a button, or even an image, anything that you'd like to link. Once selected, look for the link icon in the text toolbar that appears. It resembles a chain link, and clicking it will open a link editor for you. Here, you have several options. If you're linking to another page within your Squarespace site, simply select Page from the link editor options. This ensures that when someone clicks your link, they'll be taken directly to the page you've chosen as a destination within the seamless flow of your site. If you're linking to an external URL and want to direct visitors to a different website, enter the complete web address into the URL bar. Make sure to double-check that the address is correct to avoid any errors for your visitors. And in case you're linking to an email address, use the email option and type in the relevant address. Squarespace automatically formats these so users can click and instantly start composing an email. Once you've inserted your link, it's crucial to verify that it works properly. Go ahead and preview your page, then click the link to test if it takes you to the desired destination. If everything looks smooth, you're ready to take it live. Remember, if you link to a page within your site and that page is still a draft or not published, your link won't work properly for your website visitors. So ensure all linked pages are set to Published in your site manager. That's all there is to it. Linking pages in Squarespace is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your site's navigation and improve user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy linking.